Hello friends, Tanya here, back for day 2 of the Spellbinders 2022 Advent Calendar unboxing. We're going to find box number 2 and we'll peel that back and see what goodie we have in store today. I'm telling you, everything in this Advent calendar has been so much fun. Here we have a cute little mini stamp set. It's a clear stamp set with a floral theme and with a sentiment that says, "Thinking of you." Look at that. I love how some of those flowers will nestle right into each other, and there's layering elements for the centers and for the leaves, for the stem of flowers. And here is my first stamping of all of the images in this stamp set. What a sweet little bundle of flowers. That's it for today. Be sure to check back tomorrow for the next day of Advent calendar opening. Bye-bye.